Hey everybody, Brendan here from TAT, updating you on our next upcoming webinar. This month, we're having Tomi Oliva back. He's running through Nissan Programming Essentials. Now, those that have attended Tomi's courses before, you know he's the real deal. He's doing programming day in, day out, USA based, but this is an Australian course he's put together for us. So we're doing Nissan programming in Australia, running through using OE methods, the consult tools, and aftermarket. So what aftermarket J boxes are compatible with Nissan, using the Nissan R2R software through the AASRA portal. And we want to run you through a full workflow of exactly what you need, exactly how to install it and how to use it. Included with this is going to be a screenshotted book that runs you through step by step, so you can be confident when one comes in that you know the procedure you need to follow. Now, most workshops are running into this first when they're having CVT issues. So if you're buying a CVT from Nissan, what part of the warranty is that you must update the software. Now, if you're doing repairs on the CVT as well, you'd probably want to be running the latest software. It's all trying to keep those problematic transmissions from destroying themselves as they do. So that's where a lot are running into it, but obviously hundreds of use cases as manufacturers lean more and more on software updates for repairs. So we'll get you prepared, we'll get you confident. We'll talk about used modules, what can be done, what can't be done throughout various year ranges. Really looking forward to having Tomi back. This is a two-part course, so they're going to be two 2-hour sessions over the course of 2 nights, and we'll love to see you there.